I've known Anton long enough to know that he's difficult to find presents for, but nearly not long enough to make it any easier. So that brings us to today's problem, Anton's birthday present. Last year, I gave him a bedside table, but not just any bedside table, his own one. It was slightly neglected, but with dignity restored. This year, apparently bedside tables are not in favor or in need of saving. So I find myself here again, thinking, ever since I made my own paper, I've been nursing this idea in the back of my mind. Because when you hold the paper like this, it doesn't want to be a shopping list, it wants to be a map. And I might have been playing Kingdom Come Deliverance too at the same time when I made my first badge, and Henry stumbles upon unreasonable number of treasure maps there. Whether you're a child or fully grown adult with responsibilities and questionable sleep schedule, I do believe everyone deserves to go on a treasure hunt at least once. Do forgive me, I've never done this before. The most ambitious celebration I've organized was a poetry evening. Yeah, it was in the 19th century. So, treasure hunt, clues, hidden in places, leading to more clues, that leading to, ideally, something worth the effort. Brilliant! First, I need to choose places where I can hide the clues. That means walking around, looking for hidden places, but not too hidden, and I'll take photos of every spot and use that for the map sketches. Now, small issue, I won't be able to show you every location. Not because I don't trust you, you seem lovely, but the internet as a whole has a bit of a reputation. So I'll show you a few examples how to turn the real places into map sketches. Not all, just enough. Second, the paper. It already looks like it's seen some things, but I really would like to make it to look like it's seen even more things. So naturally, tea, coffee, soil, fire, ashes. Less lark about. And finally, the day before, I will go and hide each clue, just in case I will photograph every map, because if one disappears, I will have a backup. And hopefully no one will see in me a lawbreaker. Did I say finally? Oh no! The finale is the present, which I do not have. Don't worry, I still have time. Let's go for a walk. A good hiding spot isn't just hidden, it has to make sense. A picnic tree in the middle of the field? Yeah, good choice. A tree in the middle of the forest that nobody knows is there? That's cruel. And here lies the problem. This spot is brilliant, safe, clear, perfect for a clue, but I can't show you the surroundings of it. Oops. I planned the route. I don't want Anton go then back again, but also I don't want him to follow the simple circular path. And now it's map making time. You don't need to know how to draw, remember medieval doodles? That's it. And this is why I didn't bother making perfect shapes last time, because they are perfect for their task. Also, I don't need these big pieces of paper. Yeah, they are sturdy, alright. Maybe PV did something too. About thickness. Matko boska. So I thought I might start explaining how to make sketches with this one. So Anton rides a unicycle. Yes, he does. You don't believe me? And he likes to ride in a particular space where not so many people around, so I'm going to draw this, but instead of Anton on a unicycle, I'm going to draw a rabbit, because rabbits were all around in medieval doodles too. Recently, we visited the church. Actually, we've been on the top of the tower, right on the roof. So I'm going to hide near this place and I'm going to draw the church and 2 rabbits there on the top. I added a little riddle just because Anton loves physics, chemistry, math and all that science. Also, I'm so sorry, I do apologize, but now I have to respect my privacy.
Water, earth, fire, air.
Now we have all the elements. Let's be merry. I think I'm done. Or maybe little envelopes, sealed ones, and one in the bottle. I don't have a bottle. Well, I don't have a present yet too, so probably I will go on a hunt on my own to the vintage shops. That's okay. At this point, I'm not enjoying this too much. this is the day of commitment. And I decided not to go with my original plan where I leave them overnight. I decided to hide them in the morning just before the actual hunt. Because you see, Anton sleeps usually wakes up quite late, so it's okay. So, and I asked about his permission to film, and he said no, which is I totally understand, and I just will film when I hide them, but not all of them, because again, privacy. And if you're worried about the present, I've got everything prepared. So everything is ready. Wish me luck. Yay! Yay! No clue was missing, none was stolen, everything went so smooth as Bambi's fur. There was one teeny tiny hiccup though. One plant that I drew as a hint a week ago was blooming, but time, in its usual brutal fashion, had already taken the flowers away. I was, of course, present every step of the way, ready to provide guidance if it should be needed, but it really wasn't. Anton enjoyed it. It gave him a bit of distraction and an adventure for whole day, so totally worth it. Cheers! Under. I forgot under. Anton's birthday present. For mapping the sketches. Mapping the sketches? Will you stop fucking flying? Drive?